What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to verify your TikTok account for TikTok Shop. Now first thing you should do is to make sure to go to the correct website, which is called TikTok Shop. Then go down till you find this section right here and click on Setter, then click on Learn More, and then they will ask you to fill in some information. Fill it, then here you will find TikTok Seller Center. When you find out this message right here, click on Get Started to link your TikTok account to a TikTok shop. Then after that, you will have to open your TikTok on your phone. Then you should go to Home and you will find out the shop section right here. Then click on Shop, then choose Messages. And here you can find the message that asks you for verification. But it may take some time till this message appears. So it may take a couple of days after filling in your information in TikTok website. Now click on the latest message. They will ask you to fill in more information. Just fill it. Then click on submit. Then they will ask for additional information. Click on add information. Then they will ask you for your driver license or your national ID card. So you can use whatever method you want. You can upload your driver's license, national ID card, or passport. So take a picture of the front and the back, then upload them, then fill in the remaining information. Then click on submit and it will do a review process. This process may take up to 10 to 15 minutes. And after this process finish, go back to your Seller Center on TikTok Shop website. Then click on link official account. Then after that, they will give you a QR code. You should scan it using your TikTok application from your phone. Then click on authorize. After that, they will give you this message. Just click on agree and check these two boxes. Then click on link this account. And congratulations, they will show you this message. And now you have your TikTok account linked for a TikTok shop. Then after that, you should go back to your phone. Make sure to close TikTok, then reopen it again. Then when you go to your profile, you'll find out this icon right here, which means that you can now use TikTok shop and sell whatever you want. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.